Are Google Ads certifications worth it? Are they the golden ticket to becoming or earning hundreds of dollars an hour, as some people claim? So I'm here to shed some light on the reality of this notion and share with you what truly matters when recruiting or becoming a top-notch Google Ads professional. I want to tell you how you can get your Google Ads qualifications from, or your certifications from, and how you can best learn Google Ads so that you can start implementing successful and profitable Google Ads campaigns right from the beginning. Before I do, my name is Ajay Dhunna. I'm a Google Ads specialist. I've been running Google Ads for the best part of 20 years. If you want to learn Google Ads, then carry on watching this video. I'm going to tell you all about it. But before I do, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button, because over 80% of people who regularly consume my videos are not subscribed. So if you're watching this video, please do me a favor and just hit that subscribe button, because you'll be helping me to create more of this type of content to share out to more people. So, are Google Ads certifications worth it? So here goes. Even though Google Ads certifications do provide a foundational understanding of the Google Ads platform, they're not the be-all and end-all of a successful career in Google Ads. In fact, having a Google Ads certification is just the beginning. Google Ads certifications can be useful as a starting point, especially for those brands who are new, or those people who are new in the fields, as they get an introduction to the concept of Google Ads and the terminology that is used in Google Ads. However, don't be mistaken for substituting hands-on experience and practical real-life experience. So, because in this fast-paced world of Google Ads, clients and businesses are looking for professionals who can deliver tangible, profitable results, not just the usual type of metrics that a lot of agencies tend to use. So for example, you've paid this much and this is how many clicks you've got. Your customers will not be interested in it. They'll be interested in things like what's the total revenue that you've generated for us, or what's each lead costing us, what is it costing us to get a lead in the first place, what's our conversion rate. Now these all come with real life practical user experience. They want experts. Your potential customers want experts who understand their challenges and to create effective strategies, and the strategies that drive growth into their business. All this really comes down to experience. It then begs the question, are these certifications even worth the paper that they are written on? So the question is that, what do I look for when I'm hiring a Google Ads expert for my team or recommending them to fellow businesses? Let's break it down. Number one, the first thing I look for when hiring a Google Ads expert is the practical experience that they have. All the above is great, but I value practical experience. I want candidates who have tackled real life challenges in managing Google Ads campaigns. Those that have encountered issues and how they've resolved those issues. So that's the very first thing that I want to look for when hiring a Google Ads expert. Of course, you may be absolutely brand new to Google Ads, in which case, unless I'm training someone fresh out of university, then what I'm looking for is that, can they demonstrate practical experience or a way of logical thinking, so that they can take a bigger problem and break it down into smaller chunks of problems and then come up with solutions driven. So are they a solutions driven type of person? The second thing I'm looking for is their problem solving skills. Effective problem solving is an absolute must. Can candidates think on their feet and come up with creative solutions to optimize Google Ads campaigns that drive better results? The ability to navigate Google Ads intricacies and adopt changing circumstances is absolutely invaluable. The third thing that I look out for when hiring Google Ads expert, apart from their certifications, is their way of strategic thinking. A deep understanding of planning is absolutely crucial. What strategies can candidates prefer to work with? And how do these align with the strategies and the goals of the end customer? Because that's what matters at the end of the day, right? Because you could be delivering great Google Ads campaigns, but are they actually aligned with your customers' goals and objectives? So a strategic mindset is what sets exceptional Google Ads experts apart from all the rest. The fourth thing that I look out for is experimentation and testing. Are candidates open to experimentation and testing? Google Ads is a dynamic platform, and staying ahead requires the willingness to try different approaches and analyzing their impact on campaign performance. The fifth thing that I look out for is, are people results driven? Are they using a data driven, results driven approach? Because ultimately what matters is delivering profitable results. Can candidates show a track record of achieving tangible outcomes for a client or business on a Google Ads campaign that they may be working on, or even just talk me through the process that they've actually been running or using? The sixth thing is their communication skills. So effective communication skills is absolutely vital when working with clients and teams. So can the candidates articulate their strategies and results clearly to the clients and colleagues, to their own clients and to their own colleagues? So internally, can they take the requirements of an end customer and basically clearly explain them to their internal team, so that everyone's working towards the same goal? So strong communication skills are absolutely imperative. The seventh thing I look out for is their analytical skills. So data is at the heart of any Google Ads campaign. So how clued up are candidates in analyzing campaign data, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions? Analytical powerness is absolutely imperative in when running a Google Ads campaign, to be able to get your number crunching right bang on, so you can use tools like even spreadsheets to take raw data and to change them into meaningful information, which can then help to drive a strategy forward. Number 8, the most important, is can they think outside the box? Don't just give a client what they've asked for. As you're the Google Ads expert, or as you're the expert, it's up to you to listen to the customer and give your opinion as to the best way forward, whether it be a special type of campaign, improving their website landing pages, or even a combination of multiple strategies that will help them to achieve their goals. So to all you aspiring Google Ads professionals out there, remember that success is in the field that goes beyond certifications, and certifications do form just a foundation. It's all about honing your practical experience, developing a strategic mindset, and consistently delivering results that will make a difference. Now, if you're super eager to take your Google Ads skills to the next level and want to learn how to optimize Google Ads campaigns, the first thing you can do is to get hold of a copy of my book. It's absolutely free. It's called How to Win Customers with Google Ads. The only thing you're going to have to do is to cover the postage and packaging. This book will tell you everything you need to know about how to create successful Google Ads campaigns. And again, it'll be shipped to your door. The only thing you need to do is to cover the postage and packaging. Another way is you can use the Google Skills Shop. I'll put a link in the description below. There'll also be a link from a book in the description below. You can click on it and you can enroll into their learning program. So if you're interested in expanding your client base, getting to know your customers into your business, stay tuned in my up and coming videos, where I'm constantly sharing valuable insights into how to secure new clients, how to make your existing Google Ads campaigns more successful so that they deliver more profitable Google Ads results. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Ajay Dhunna. I look forward to seeing you on another video. Goodbye for now. Oops, hang on, wait. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Hit it now, please. You'll be helping me to create more of this type of content. I'd love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you have got any comments, please put them in the description below. Look forward to seeing you again. Take care.